have taken the glue out. And then we're trying to get the glue out of here with this. And then we're going to melt these, put that in there. Then we're going to show you how to make an edible glue stick.
And then we're gonna bring the school tomorrow. We're washing these out. We'll see you again. Stay tuned. So we finally got this emptied out, and then we got 3 gummies. How long do you think I should microwave this for?
Maybe a minute.
I'm gonna go with 30 seconds.
Yeah, 30 seconds. Okay.
So 3. That works.
Okay.
I got 2. Oh, that was 3 minutes.
Wow. We might want to turn that off.
How do you turn it off? Cancel it off. How about we try 1 minute?
That's what I said.
1 minute. There we go. See you guys when it's done.
And we're gonna hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button.
Smash that notification bell.
And see you in the next video. And no, we will also see you when this is done in a minute.
And then we'll be eating it when it's all the way done. Hey guys, so we're taking it out right now. And we're pretty sure it's done. We don't know, so we're just gonna check.
That's done.
Okay, so we're gonna take it out.
Oh my gosh.
Hot.
Whoa.
Look what it turned into. We're gonna have to mix that up, I think, Risden.
Get it out of the bowl. That's what we need to do before it's stuck.
That's all. And we will also be making maybe some pencils. I don't pencils. Maybe. Tune in. In the next video, keep tuning in. And still, if you haven't, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. Turn on that notification bell. And
And I am about to show you what's happened to the glue stick. It's basically a glue stick, I guess. See?
let's see if it turns up. Yeah, that's good.
There you go.
Hey,
It's okay.
okay, here.
Did you
That's
mix
right.
it up? Does it come up? Does it come up? I don't think it goes up.
I think we needed that piece that you didn't. Yeah, it's fine though.
Now you can try.
Yeah. This is actually, I think this was a success.
It doesn't go up when I try to.
But it's so good. Can I have it?
No.
Who gets it then? Can I get everyone?
No. So we officially made rainbow glue. So
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
That would be like one.
See you in the next video. Smash the like button, subscribe button, notification bell. See you next time.